Hello everybody, this is the Pure Magnet in front of you, and today I have a very romantic subject, and that is, what is the master key of a beautiful romantic relationship? And I will give you the answer straight away. And the answer is appreciation. Do you appreciate yourself completely? That is very important. Many a time, people do a lot of things. They want to have a girlfriend, people want to get married, become a husband, have children, and so on. But what about a sense of appreciation? Please remember, when I speak about appreciation, it begins with you. Do you appreciate yourself completely? Well, talking about myself, I do not depend upon anybody to be happy. I can cook my food, I wash my clothes, I can clean my room, I polish my shoes, I iron my clothes. Emotionally, I am self-dependent. So in this state, if I enter in a relationship, I am not depending upon my partner to make me happy. I am already complete. I appreciate myself. So when I appreciate myself and each and everything in life, whether it is food or water, oxygen, relationships, people, a job, the money that I earn, so when I have a complete sense of appreciation for myself and for what others do for me, so when I enter in a relationship, that will be healthy. But on the other hand, it is not about your selection of a partner or how lucky you are. See, if you enter in a relationship and the other person is also complete, has a sense of appreciation, so what will happen? You are complete, you have a sense of appreciation. The other person, your partner, feels complete by herself and she has a sense of appreciation. So what happens? You are there to share with what you have. You are not having expectations. Like I being a man, I'm not expecting my partner is going to wash my underwear or cook food for me. I am going to wash my underwear. I can cook my own food. So I'm not depending upon my partner. I am there just to share what I have. Similarly, if my partner also feels the same, the relationship will be wonderful. Most of the time, if you look at the statistics, why do relationships break? Whether it is a boyfriend-girlfriend relationship, whether it is marriage, that is separation and divorce, the key feature is lack of appreciation. So, if you have a great sense of appreciation for yourself and for everything in life, and similarly, your partner feels the same, your relationship is going to stay. It is not about how you look, how much money you have. It is just a sense of appreciation. And when you start expecting something, give and take, relationship is bound to fail. By today or tomorrow, the relationship will become rigid, and even you do not get separated or divorced, there will be constant conflict and friction because there are expectations. So when you enter in a relationship with a view of sharing, I'm here to share. So even if the relationship doesn't work out, you're still okay. See, for me, my relationships have not worked out, but I have not become Devdas. I'm very happy because I'm complete by myself. Similarly, if you want to enjoy a beautiful romantic relationship, appreciate yourself, and value for your partner. So when you're there to share and your partner also feels the same, your relationship is bound to stay. So all the best. Have or enjoy a beautiful romantic relationship. This is the Pure Magnet.